Well, what do we have here? Another cop on a Tuesday. So, I'm going to do no intro, no outro. The people have spoken. I'm going to give it to you straight, plain, raw. And I always get this outside noise, people cutting grass and all this other crap. So before I jump into this review, I still got to give credit where credit is due for people who are working behind the scenes. And their information will be in the description box below. So shout out to my sis, Princess Fame, Pam A, my sis from the D313. She's trying to hit that 500. You got the bros, McFly, KOF, and PMKICKZ. They trying to hit that 2K grind. Also, other people that's helping out laying the tracks is I Am That Dude. Go check him out. We got the homie SNOOCHS Customs dropping the merch, as well as Money Run Clothing. You feel me? Let's get into this review. As you can see, got this Nike Air box, and it says Air Force One. As you can see, Air Force One 07 LV8. There's no QR code. Not all of the boxes are coming with these men's 10, women's 11.5. I suggest you try out Air Force Ones. They run kind of tricky. Sometimes you can go true to size with my true size of the 10, or you can go a half size down. You got the suggested retail price as $100. You open it up, got the little stamper ramp, and I always have a receipt on deck for the receipt police. And as you can see, what is this here? Oh shoot, I got the wrong receipt, but I think I paid $50 for this shoe. Yep, $50 for this shoe. So shout out to my daughter for helping her father out. As you can see, the little paper kind of got like some little whatever the crap is on this shoe. But I always like to do the right side. So of course, let's get it together, Emoneyshoes, because we all out of sorts. So as I do that, like so, this is part of that college pack, and we gotta back it up, get that view. So now we are complete. We got the swipers, which are the we got the swipers, which are the De'Aaron Fox. We got the 97, the Jason Tatum, and last, Mr. Devin Booker. Play with the Phoenix Suns and all of that good stuff. I think I put Devin Booker. I be getting it mixed up between Kentucky and Duke. I think he came out of Duke, if I ain't mistaken. So this is a tribute to his mother. Let me say, actually, I probably got to bring out both shoes, because both shoes got a little bit of different things on each one of the shoes. So let's do this. We start with this, like so. Another dope shoe for the summer. You can see underneath, it kind of got like that sail white. So you already know when you wear these are wrapped, so you're gonna have to clean them. You want to put them back in the box. Coming around, it's kind of like, I don't know if people like to say pastel color, like a bluish, light blue. You got your breathability here. You got suede. It's not the great, it's kind of rough. You got the laces, and it's very interesting, right? Because it got made in Moss Point. So you have that up there, and shipped to Phoenix, right? Player exclusive. This is the shoe for Devin Booker, which is weird because he's a basketball player, right? So I don't see him balling in Air Force Ones, but hey, whatever floats your boat. Then I like this when they always stitch in the check, makes the shoe look really, really nice. And on the back, like I said, tribute to his mom. He got yes ma'am. Y'all know how that goes. So polite. And then you got your breathable holes here on the side. Inside this shoe, see, you got the price, $100, and it's blue. And this guy cutting grass, really getting on my nerves. You got a shoe tree in here. Shoe tree normally tell you your size, but I guess not. And it actually does have a QR code inside the shoe, if you can see it. Right there, like so. Coming around. Let's get the other one. So we on the medial side here. On the back of this, it says no sir. This shoe, and then this one made in Moscow. So it's very, very dope, because normally they have Nike Air on the front. So that's a nice change. And this also has a hang tag or whatever you want to call it here. And they got Devin Booker, just to let you know you are getting his shoe. So it would be no doubt about that. And inside, a size 10. And other than that, nothing too much to the shoe. Like I said, a very, very dope shoe, can able to rock it. So on a lady lit meter, I would give this about a 4.5 out of 5. What do you guys think? A 4.5 out of 5. What you think? It passed gas? Yeah, because I got these for 50, so that was a steal in my opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think. We on the road to 3K and join the money squad. And you always know how I said, hashtag brick by brick, because that's how we got to move in these YouTube streets. You feel me? It's Emoneyshoes, and I'm out. Peace.